go. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Is it coming? Good. So let's do a triple with the left foot. Ready, go. Lead, hop, go. Oh, wait a minute. That isn't going to work. Oh, I got to get my weight on there. Let's see. Right foot. No, it isn't. Oh, let's do 2 runs again. That'll work. Lead, hop, go. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. And 1, and 2, 3, and 4. So in other words, it's like 3 steps, rock step. And 1, and 2, and 3, rock step. And 1, and 2, and 3, rock step. Ready, go. Okay, did you get in on that, chick? So let's do 1 run. Or 2 runs, sorry. Okay, there's your weight. Because what I'm trying to get to you is don't think you're going to start with this foot. Because you're going to start with a weight-bearing foot. So it's and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. And those are called flea hops. And chick, you have so much energy. If you like to show us all up and make us look really old and you really young, you can go. That's it. And a 1, and 2, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4.
Did I do it?
I don't know. I was a minute watching myself. She did it. It's a fun step. It's a real fun step.
What's it called?
Flea hop.
Yeah,
So let's see. Oops. Here it is. So the sad thing is, I did start this out with flea hops. This is baby elephant walk, and I don't have the small print for you yet because I just pulled this morning. And I don't have small print, so I'll get it for next week. So this is baby elephant walk. Now I gotta see just where I've been left.
I got it.
and then 6 and lead hop to go. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. Drop double. Side touches. Back it up. Lead hop. Drop double. Side touches. Back it up. Lead hop. Now, you still got your weight back on your right foot, so this time you're going to use your left foot right on. Oh, you're going to see, wait a minute, sorry.
Control, Ruth? Yeah. It's on me, I'm on. Okay, let's do it. Perfect, thank you. I was right there.
Okay, this is called heel up and a basic. Heel, click, and basic step. Heel, click, and basic step. Heel, click, and basic. Last time. And you really want to get this click in there too because you're just keeping a rhythm going. So, I'm trying because I can't back that thing up good yet. Do Samantha's, you're going to take them a quarter left to face the back. So you're going to do 1 and then 1, okay? Do Samantha's quarter steps are rock step, and then like that. It could be just a ball slide, but it's still like a rock step. So you got to get this foot back there for the rock step. Until I tell you, well, even rock in front because you're doing a rock step. So any way you look at it, a rock step, that rocking part should be in back. Does that make sense?
And on the ball,
Yeah. Ball,
right there.
ball step. And this is another thing. The difference between a ball and a step is the speed that you do it. If you did your rooster run where you're going ball, 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 you use the ball of your foot. But if you're going to step it, and it just slows you right down, you can't get there because you committed each hard full-footed step. So let's try a little jogging on the ball of your feet. Ball, 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 ball. Let's go back. Ball, 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 ball. You'll get there much faster. So those are just things to work with. Let's go back and do those heel up basics so you don't forget them. Heel up, basic step. Heel up, basic step. So we're going to do. Yeah?
Yeah, where's the click to the heel up?
Heel up. And 1 and 6. 1, 2 and 3 and 4. 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 So your 2 is your heel click.
Seems like you're putting it way out there.
Huh?
Seems like you're putting your heel way out there.
Well, because this is a dorky song. So I kind of go dorky with it. Heel up and basic step. Heel up and basic step. Heel up and basic step. Heel up. Yeah. I used to do an elephant walk here like this.
Oh.
And it was kind of fun, but nobody liked it.
No, I wouldn't like it.
I thought it was really cool. So I got to blow it up.
I think I'm over that too.
Okay, let's see if we can do up through the Samantha, 2 of them to face the back, a rocking chair back, 2 rocking chairs back there, 1 Samantha to face front, 2 flea hops, and a high horse from the beginning. 8 count weight and flea hops. Get your weight on your right foot. Flea hops go. Drop elbow. Side touch. Next elbow. 2 flea hops. Drop elbow. Side touch. Back elbow. Flea hop. Heel up. is Samantha. I think is on the rock double. And a 1 and a 2 and 3 and 4 rock double. It's just because.
On the rock double. And when we need to know.
Okay, let's look at that. Double step, drag step, rock double half. There you go. The reason I turn it there is because body flow will make you go that way if you let it. If you don't fight it. Watch me. And a 1 and a 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and a 6 and a 7 and 8. So let's try that. Ready? Go. And a 1 and a 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and a 6. Do it again. You did it so good.
There you go.
There.
I was getting on the wrong foot.
But now you're okay. Yeah. Good.
I forgot the rock double.
Oh. Okay. Two unclog basics. Now an unclog is simply what is it? Stamp, stomp, jump up. That's all it is. And 1 and 2. That's an unclog. I can tell you to do another unclog. Another one. Another one. Here's your count. And 1 and 2. And 1 and 2. And 1 and 2. And 1 and stop. I want you to do an unclog basic. So you're going to take that one unclog and do a basic. Do it again. Okay. So you're going to do 2 unclog basic, and that makes a 4-beat step, by the way. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and what?
Yeah, talk about the sky.
Oh, okay. And I swear to heaven, Darlene Cummings in Canada is the only one that will specify between a scuff and a brush. I use scuffs. Stamp, stop, scuff, scuff. The scuff is that heel tap. And you're not going to go, or, I mean, you could if I wanted you to in a funky dance, but stamp, stop, scuff, scuff. Stamp, stop, scuff, scuff. Stamp, stop, scuff, scuff. And you'll see a lot of people on the floor that have done it a lot, they'll go. That's because they think the regular one is just boring, and I like to do that too, but not when I'm teaching, because it's stamp, stop, scuff, up. That's all it is. Stamp, stop, scuff, up. Stamp, stop, scuff, up. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4.
So now,
Yeah?
is it like a brush, but instead of your toe, you're using
Yeah,
your
yeah, yeah. It's just a scuff, and you'll use a lot of scuff steps as you get up in coffee. So the thing to do, and let's see, it's not, so you're stamp, stomp, scuff. You got something on that heel tap, you stepped in gum or something, and you don't usually go like this when you step on it, you just scuff it. Try to get it off. Double step, scuff up. You see how close my feet are together, my legs? They're not out here. Because it's a fast step. And 1 and 2. And 1 and 2. And 1 and 2. And once again, don't go. Okay, let's do 4 unclogs. Ready, go. Stamp, stop, 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 stop. How about unclog basic? And the basic, do it again. And the basic. Do a triple. And stop right there. So now let's do unclogs. Just unclogs. Stamp, stop, stop, up. 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 Work. Now right foot, let's add that basic in there. Stamp, stop, stop, up. And a basic step. Stamp, stop, stop, up. And a basic step. Okay. Okay, you got 2 unclog basics. After that, you have a stamp, stomp, push left and right. And I'm picking up the rhythm. So instead of doing a double step, you're going to go. unclog basic twice and stamp stop push left and right. To unclog basic, ready, go. Stamp stop pushes. Back right. Okay, now we have two fancy triples, and you've just done those with Kathy this morning. Ready, go. Line, brush, left and right. Brush it up. High horse, just one. Two stop double. Okay, let's do all that. Okay, from the beginning, and we're just going to go right straight through it because all of it is repeated. Play pop go. Two stop double. Two side touches. Fancy double. Play hop. Stop double. Side touches. Fancy double. Play hop. Heel up basic go. Heel up and a basic two. Up, two more. With the massive face back. The rocking chair. One Samantha, face front. Three hop. High horse. Do I call basic? Go. Stamp stop. Push and go. And 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6. Fancy triple. Line brush, left and right. One high horse. Two stop double. Two Samantha, face the back. Two one unclog basic, one. Side touches. Samantha, one, face front. Two side touches. Three hop. Two rock